Moving forward, we'll go to the lists. Lists. Before we had like strings, and now we have lists. So lists, they are defined like this, very easy. It's a list of squares. So we have squares. We want to access the square at position 0. We access it. The last square, the last 3 squares here, we have them. The same slicing, the same principles of the strings apply for the lists. Here we can make a shallow copy of the squares. It's just a copy actually of this list. Here there is a difference between shallow copy and deep copy. We'll go into it in another video, a more advanced video. For now, you can just think of it just as a copy of squares. Just yeah, they share kind of the same memory address with the main list. Here we can do some concatenation, add some bigger lists. Cubes, here, if you see in this, we will create some lists of cubes. But here you can see in this, the cube of 4 is not 65, it's more 64 if we calculate it. So we can here actually in the list we can really replace. It's not like strings, but here in list we can replace the index here by 64, and we will just update the correct value. More forward, we can add a cube with the function append. Another really interesting functionality of this. So if we append this number, it's the cube of 6, and we append the cube of 7, we can have the cube of 6 and the cube of 7. Next forward, we have letters from A to G. Okay. Here, if we can replace those letters, for example, from 2 to let's say from 2 to 5, it should be C, D, F. And here, if we want to delete from 2 to 5, we'll do it this way. And if we want just to delete everything, we'll do it this way. And if we want to check the length, it's length of the letters. And here we can see that we can also embed lists into lists. Here, if you see, we have A, it's a list, and N, it's another list. And here we can put actually this list A with the list N inside of a bigger list. And you can see that they don't, even if they don't share the same types, it's totally fine with Python. And here, if we access the x0, it's the first element of the list, it will be this one. And if we want to access the second element of the first list, it will be this, like this. This is how you would do it. So straightforward. Like if you want to do more programming, you can do something even more advanced. And this is mostly it for now.